Hey, what is up, guys? So, in the last video, we had unboxed the Amazon Fire Stick TV third generation, and today we're going to be taking a look at how to set everything up, and basically how to do everything. So, first, we're going to go ahead and attach a Fire Stick TV into this HDMI adapter. Now, why we do this is because most modern TVs have many HDMI ports all crammed together, so that's why they include this adapter which fits into tight places. And once again, if you notice, if that Amazon Fire Stick TV works off the power of the TV, it actually doesn't. It needs external power, like how I did right here, and that's how you know it. So let's jump into the content. As you can see, I've set it up and connected it to the TV, and I'm running the power adapter going from behind to this. And as you can see, the power adapter is right there, plugged into a surge protector. Now on this TV, I have two HDMI ports and one USB port. So one HDMI port is basically going to my Xbox right here, and another USB port is basically, I'm just going to show you this one. I've basically attached a USB adapter to the USB port, and now a third HDMI port is basically attached to the Fire Stick TV. So we're going to go ahead and use our TV remote at first. So as you can see, we'll get it in focus. Okay, so now we're going to select the HDMI one. As you can see, it pulled up my Xbox and so on. Now we're just going to go ahead and switch to HDMI 2. And as you can see, it has powered right on. And once again, you can use any of the remote, either your TV remote or your Fire Stick remote, to control anything. This thing controls basically all the apps, whatever. You can use any other remote, but you will want to use this remote because it's new, obviously. You can scroll to the basic functions, and you also have Amazon Alexa included into it, obviously, and so on. So anyway, as you can see, it's also you can control basically anything with any remote, but you only need the TV remote to switch between the different inputs like HDMI or USB and so on. Anyways, guys, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching again, and peace out.